In this tutorial, we will create a reusable alert view that can be used in any view. To display the alert view, the user will type in delete, click on the remove record button, and then the alert view would be displayed as a dialog and with two buttons, OK and cancel. And this is what we'll be creating in this tutorial. Within your Xcode project, create a new SwiftUI view and name the view Custom Alert View. Select SwiftUI as a file and name it Custom Alert View. We can delete the preview between lines 16 and 20. After lines 10, enter the following variables. At binding bar is showing bool, and the purpose of that variable is to control the visibility of the alert, so that will have true or false to display the alert. Another reason why it's binding is because we send the Boolean variable from the content view to the custom alert view. Let title string and title is the title text of the alert. Let message string. Message is a message for the alert. Let on OK. Open bracket, close bracket, void. And this is a closure to handle the OK button action when tapped from the custom alert view. Let on cancel is similar to the OK button, but the only difference is that when the user clicks on cancel, the cancel closure is executed. Void. We can delete lines 18. Now we need to create a Z stack. If it's showing color dot black dot opacity open bracket 0.5 dot edges ignore safe area dot all. So what that does on line 19 to lines 21, show the alert only if it's showing is true. And then on lines 20, it creates a transparent background color. And then lines 21 is just to ignore the safe edges. Now we need to create a V-stack, spacing 20, text, title, dot font, title, dot bold, dot foreground color, dot black. So what that does, it displays the title, and then it just formats the title on the alert with a black text for the foreground, and it bolds it as well. We need to do something similar for the message. So I'll just copy what we just done, but I won't copy the V-stack part, just the text and the formatting, like the styling for the text. And then for this one on lines 29, just replace it so that it has message. And for lines 30, dot body, remove bold, and then for the foreground color, make that grey, and then the message will be multi-line because it could be any type of long error message. Multi-line text alignment, dot center. The next thing we need to create is the horizontal stack for the buttons. H-stack, spacing 20. And then within the H-stack, we need to apply the button with the button action. And then this button, what we're creating, is the cancel button. So this needs to call the cancel closure. And because we have now cancelled the alert view, that means we don't want it to be displayable anymore. So we need to make sure that we assign is showing to false, is showing to false, so that it gets rid of the view. We also need a caption for the button so the user knows what the button does. So the caption is cancel And then we need to style the text. Dot padding. Dot frame. Max width. Dot infinity. Line 41, it just makes sure that both of the buttons are the same size. So one button isn't longer or bigger than the other one. They're all equal. Dot background color. Dot red. Dot foreground color. Dot white. Dot corner radius. 10. The corner radius just makes sure that the button has rounded corners so it doesn't have sharp edges. That's what it does. Next thing we need to do is to add our OK button. So we do that after lines 45. Anywhere after lines 45, we can add that other button. Button, action, on OK. On OK, that will execute the OK closure, similar to on cancel. Is showing equals false. Now we need to create the caption for the button. This one is called OK, so just type in OK. And then we just do the padding and everything what we've done in the previous one. So I'll just copy and paste what we've done previously. Corner radius is 10. Foreground color is white. Background color, it should be blue. And everything else is the same. I'll just compile it. Keeps on showing an error. Is it to do with on OK? Action. I spelled action incorrectly. It should be T-I-O-N. Now I'll compile it and see if it compiles. It compiles. And the next thing we need to do is anywhere after lines 59, we need to assign a frame to the alert. Dot frame width 300. Dot padding and then dot background color dot white, dot corner radius is 20. I'll compile it again. In part 2 of this video, we'll be implementing the content view to house the custom alert view, so that when we put the custom alert view within the content view, the custom alert view is displayed and reusable within the content view. As we done last week, this is how the application feature will work. We type in delete, something wrong with Xcode. Okay, so type in delete. When we type in delete, it enables the remove record button. Click on the remove record button, and then our custom alert view is displayed with 2 options, cancel or OK. So this is the functionality that we're creating this week to enable the custom alert view to be displayed within the content view. So I'll just click on OK now to dismiss the view. And last week the video cut off at the end. There was like some error on the Mac. So this is what you might have missed last week within the within the custom alert view. At the bottom, you probably missed these 4 lines. So your custom alert view, it should look like this. This is the full code. So now within the content view, enter the following after lines 10 at state private var show alert equals false. At state private var confirmation text equals comma, which is blank, and then after lines 14, delete the lines between 15 and 18. And also delete the line 17, the dot padding. Within the V stack, enter the following text field, type delete. I'll just do that again. Type delete to confirm. And then we type in $, confirmation text by using binding. And then the next thing we need to do is style the text field. Dot text field style rounded border text field style. That means we won't have any edges on the text field. Padding. Next thing we need to do is to create our remove button. Button remove record if confirmation text dot lowercase equal to delete, show alert equals true, else if the user doesn't type in the word delete, then don't show the alert. So show alert is equal to false. Dot disabled confirmation text dot lower case not equal to delete. So what that does on lines 26, it will enable the delete button only when the confirmation text contains the word delete. So the word delete can be in uppercase or lowercase. And now, what we need to do, after lines 28, we need to call our custom alert view. Oh, there should be quotes around the word delete on lines 26 because it's a string, so a variable. And then on lines 28, we need to call our custom alert view. So just type in custom alert. Custom alert view. For the custom alert view, it should be a capital C. So within the custom alert view, we need to pass in the following parameters, which are show alert, title, which is record management, and then the message, are you sure you want to delete the record? And then we need to open up our completion handlers. Our closure. And then just for testing purposes, we just have a print statement. OK button tapped. And then within the console, we just handle print, cancel, button tapped. Now let's compile it to see if it works or not. Now run it. Just trying to load at the moment. It's loaded. So now I'll type in delete to show the custom alert view. Click on remove record button. As you can see, the custom alert is shown to the screen. Click on OK. And then by clicking on OK, the view is dismissed. So if I type in something that's not delete, you'll see that the button is disabled and we don't get to see the customize alert view. But if I change it to delete, in any case, then we get to see the alert view. Click on cancel to dismiss it. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.